Tuna, Marlin, Marlin. I told you Marlin's easy to catch. Let's reel in everything.
Fish on, baby.
As long as we have pressure on it.
Real. Oh, it's done.
Yeah, that's it. He's already on the leader. Woohoo! There it is.
Manny, throw your hands up, baby.
Woo!
This guy started the fight, and his brother ended it. Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
We're on board of our 50-foot Bertram, and we're gonna go target yellowfin tunas. The plan is to go where the water temperature is about 82 degrees so that we can find the porpoises. Once we find the porpoises, we're gonna start trying a few different strategies, and hopefully we get to land a nice big yellowfin tuna, because that's really what we're targeting. And today we are going out with our friends from California. It's 3 guys that they are actually from Northern California and South California, and they have never caught a big yellowfin tuna. So hopefully we'll get to catch a big yellowfin tuna so that these guys can get to fight one and have that experience.
So we started running and we saw these sailfish breaching out of the water. So that's why we stopped real quick to see if we can actually catch and release it. If he does take the bait, it'll be cool. That way we get a strike early in the morning and get the momentum going.
Okay, so what Lalito's doing right now is actually filling up. Well, we have a helium balloon already filled up. We're gonna tie it out to the kite, and the reason why we're gonna tie it to the kite is because we don't have that much wind right now. And if we don't have a lot of wind, it usually comes down. And the a big helium balloon helps us to keep it up high. Plus, trolling the yacht on a certain, like around 7 knots, it helps us to move the jumping fish in a certain way that the tuna thinks it's a real one, and that's how we can catch a big one.
We just got to an area where there's a couple of dolphins, so we're gonna start giving it a try. We're gonna be flying the kite with the jumping fish, and then we have a few different lures at the bottom, and also a bait. Mira. Qué machín se miran. That's a bunch of flying fish, which is a pretty good sign. We saw a bunch of dolphins, porpoises, and then there's a lot of flying fish. We have the kite up with a jumping fish as well. Hopefully we get a 200-pounder. You want to sit down or you want to stand up? ¿Qué es? Marlin? Tuna, Marlin, Marlin. I told you Marlin's easy to catch. Let's reel in everything.
Everything in.
Yep. Nomás que Lalo no me cree. Yo le dije que iba a bollar allá atrás. Ali, yeah. Well, Ali, it's on the line. This is where we're gonna see if he really knows how to fish, or if he's just bullshitting. Yeah, he's gonna, no, not that thing. He's gonna actually, we're gonna back up a little bit towards it. You got, and help him out a little bit. Once we release it, he's gonna try to cast the bait. At least, so that's your first Marlin. Woohoo! So don't mess it up. Yeah, just keep pressure.
Fish on, baby.
As long as we have pressure on it, we're good. Vámonos. So now we have Manny. Man, it's on the Marlin.
Click.
Real. When he's backing up, just start, keep reeling. Real, keep reeling. Right there he is. Woo! You gotta follow it. You gotta follow it.
Follow it. Hey, come this side.
Woohoo! Oh, sorry.
Marlin on.
There it is.
Real. Oh, it's done.
Yeah, that's it. He's already on the leader. Woohoo! True, man. Badly injured, so we're gonna, if we release it, it's gonna die, so we're just gonna keep it. All right, there it is.
Manny, throw your hands up, baby! Woo! This guy started the fight, and his brother ended it. Woo! Teamwork make the dream work, baby!
Who's gonna fight it? Ahí está, dásela a ese güey. That sounds like a tuna. Otra. We got another one. There's another one over there. Ya ves, verga.
Woo! Hey! Hit the GoPro! Behind you!
Give me a second. Well, it's long, so you might don't need it. ¡Vámonos! Mira, ándale. No va a jalar. Vámonos. El de este güey se escucha bien. Mira nomás. ¿Ya viste cuál es, Lalo? ¿Viste, verga? Okay. He's under, you're on top. A ver, déjame mover esta silla. Ahí está. Esa está buena, güey. Make sure there's always tension on the line. Mira.
Nice, 200.
Ojalá.
It might be though. It might be.
Come on, reel in. Remember, hey, with tunas, it's easier if you go short stroke. You go up and then half a turn. Up, half a turn. Boom. He's gonna get away. Hay que conectar la manguera, ¿no? Para que no meternos ahorita para adentro con toda la sangre. Y no se resbalen ellos. Put it. There you go. Just stand up. Mande. Okay. If you need help, Ali can help you.
Ali, come on.
Okay, Ali's ready to go. Vámonos, Ali's more professional. Go up slowly, and then go down, half a turn, and then up again. Half a turn down, there you go, up. Half a turn, boom, up, like that. When a tuna's going down, it pushes the face down and then starts running. If you go do half turns and up, you just make sure that the face is always facing up, and you bring it up quick. There you go. Están las tunas. You need some help?
There we go. There we go.
Hey, there you go.
Take your time.
Never give up.
Crank. Go down. Back up. Keep it nice and tight. No, don't. Just hold it there. You're trying to gain and make him have to take.
Never take the rod to 90 degrees while I'm telling Siri. Because he puts the rod way too high and that's how they break.
Crank.
That was nice. That's about like 70, 80 pounds. ¿Ya la agarró? Let's go. Got him!
Yes, sir!
Okay. Vamos a la que sigue. No, poquito, es de la banguerita esa.
That should be the real sponsor.
Hace ruido ahí, ¿sí, vea?
Oh man.
Hay que comprar una.
Make sure the thing is down tight. It feels like it's wobbling a little bit.
No, it's good. You're good.
Good?
Yeah.
¿Está buena, Ramón? ¿Sé que llega a las 100?
Yo creo que sí, güey. I think it's gonna be a little bit more than 100 pounds. Yeah.
¿La pasa, va?
Whatever you get, I'll get a piece of it for you.
1 hour later.
Córtale, dalo.
Se le fue. Okay, you gotta wait. Let's go for the other one. Mira. Look at the jumping. Mira, otra vez, güey. Está buena, eh. Mira.
Hey, Pose!
Mira, ahí está, güey. Ahí está, dale.
He's on!
Al papalote.
Agárrala atrás, hermano. De ahí no le va a quemar. Lo corta, no le ponga la mano así completa. Échate la mano.
Fíjate. Ahí dejo el papalote arriba, ¿no? Ahí está arriba. Ojalá y sí estaba bueno, ¿verdad? Cómo correteaba y se aferró, Lalo, ¿eh? That's tuna number 3. We caught this one with the jumping. Man, he fought it. He did pretty good. Vámonos, la que sigue. A ver, yo regreso, güey. Sí. Okay, so far right now we we didn't get any bites early, and then after like 1 o'clock we started doing pretty good. We caught a striped marlin. Unfortunately, it died, and then we had to put it on board. After that, we got a few strikes with really nice yellowfin tunas. We landed a couple of them. One of them got away. ¿Ya te chingó? ¿Te chingaste?
Oh, we on. He's going down for the count. He's back on.
That looked like a big yellowfin tuna. So far that's how good we're doing right now. Qué loco como le jalan más al jumping, ¿verdad? Siempre quedamos así con el jumping, no sé por qué le jalan.
No, sí, está marcando, pero a 100 pies.
Está nada.
Sacó la petra,
Héctor. Ya que acabe ahí hay que limpiar la sangre para que no la metan para adentro.
Marca, Lalito. Ahí marca. Uy, marca. ¿Tiene puro petra, hermano, la carreta? Sí. Ahí le va. Póngamela ahorita ahí.
Sí, es lo que le digo. Hey. Sí, es lo que le estaba diciendo ahorita. En vez de hacer eso, hay que ponerlo rapidito en esta cosa, miren, en este broche. Ahorita lo puse en el broche y aquí se mantenía la línea.
Down, low, low. All right, up. Down, down.
That's what we come for.
Take your time. Take your time.
Sometimes it don't be ready.
Wait till you're ready. That's it.
Let's go. Oh, no, I'm good, I'm good.
Está corriendo, Ramón. Está corriendo poquito.
Watch the braid. It's gonna cut you. Down.
Ahorita
Corre
se...
poquito, Arturo, va a salir bien. Está, corre. Ahí está, Arturo. Bájatelo, ahí está nomás ahí. Bájatelo, Arturo, si quieres, no vuelta.
Ah,
Bájatelo,
pero se va a enredar más, güey. Bajándolo, se empieza a enredar ahí.
Boy, we done been through the rotation, going on twice now. I already caught a striped marlin, about a 90-pound yellowfin, some more smaller gray yellowfin. We lost one, lost a 200-pounder off a gas technical.
1 hour later.
Technical. 5 minutes. I felt like I wasn't doing no justice after a certain point. I had to give it up. But bad as I didn't want to, fresh, gotta get somebody in there fresh. Can't let your pride get the best of you.
Nothing you can do right there.
Good job, there you go.
Vámonos. Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up.
Up it.
Le agarra poquito y la vuelve a sacar, ¿eh?
What's up? Which way?
Okay, so these guys have been fighting the tuna for about 3 hours. We're gonna call this video 3 guys against Yellowfin Tuna. Hey, yes. It should be big though. It should be at least 200 pounds. It looked big when it hit the jumping fish. So hopefully we'll get it close to the boat soon. Mira, ahí viene.
Ya está grabando. Pura bandita, Ramón.
De donde sea, pero me la voy a chingar. Mira, güey, no mames. That's a big freaking tuna. Dale, Lalito, dale, Lalito. No, primero déjale, meto yo este y luego ya le metemos el otro.
No way, I ain't seen him yet.
Just take your time. Take your time.
Es todo, Lalo. Vámonos, verga. Por aquel lado, vi abre la puerta, güey. Hold on, we're gonna get it in. Vámonos para allá. Open the door.
Holy shit!
Estoy la verga. Ramón, ya no va a creer nada lo que me digan mis perros. Hell yeah. Thank you, my lord. Okay. Vámonos. Vamos a tomar unos videos y una fotito antes de irnos para que se mire aquí y luego ya nos vamos.
I feel blessed to be a part of this crew. Tag Cabo put us on the map. Big water bullies for life. I got my cousins out here. We're doing big work. 200-pound tunas, Marlin. Hey, dream come true. I feel good. Hey, teamwork make the dream work. We got it. We got it. Big boy.
Today we went fishing with these guys. They did pretty good. I thought they were gonna actually give up, but they did really, really good. I actually met Suri on Instagram, and he came over, brought Manny and Ali. I'm really bad with names, but I remember all three of them now. So we went out there, we targeted yellowfin tunas. They never caught a marlin before. So now you guys caught the first marlin. And
excellent. It was a great opportunity. At first the fish weren't biting, but it's called fishing, not catching.
Yeah.
So we stuck it out, patience, and the boys tried everything. They switched the lures out, very efficient. You know, we got Lalito, the boys handling business over there. You know, the fish started biting out of nowhere. We were on.
It's all about patience, persistence, fishing.
It pays
Fishing,
off.
that's what it is, and that's what we love to do.
Yeah, definitely. We came down here and we were able to do what we came to do. You know, catch some new species that we haven't caught before, like that big old marlin that we got. That was awesome. Dream come true, man.
Cool.
You know, great crew. They were very helpful. You know, did everything that we needed. Suggested stuff. We even brought some of our stuff, but they had a lot of awesome gear here, a lot of Shimano stuff, you know, and we got it done, man. Really appreciate it. I recommend them, you know. Tag Cabo Sportfishing.
Cool.
Woo!
What's up? So I got to give a big shout out to this guy right here. From the moment I called him like 2 or 3 weeks ago, he picked up the phone and we talked about fishing for about 30 minutes. We kind of got lost in conversation about fishing, and he did everything. He exceeded my expectations. We didn't really have an option. We had a lot of options, and I just said, let's do this guy. He's saying everything. I've been researching, and we came out here. It was slow for the first part, but that's fishing. Everything aligned perfectly. We seen the dolphins, we seen the porpoises, the temperature of the water, the birds. They were switching out lures fast. Everything was happening fast. They did everything. They had live bait going. This guy right here, he's a man.
Lalito.
Lalito is the truth. He's a beast. The guys up put us on the fish. They slowed down. They backed the boat up when we needed it. We fought that fish. Me and my cousins, we rotated in and out. It was a hard fight. We earned it today, but with all the teamwork, make the dream work. Dream big or go home.
Yeah.
Yeah, we came all the way out here from Los Angeles, California, and boom, made it happen.
So these Manny and Ali, they're from Los Angeles, and you're from the Bay Area. That's what you said, huh?
Cali representing.
So Cali was in the house, and we did pretty good. Striped marlin, 4 tunas, and one easily over 200 pounds.
Boom!
It took you guys what, like almost an hour to reel it in?
Not to mention the
Nice.
one that we lost one that
Yes.
we fought for a while.
Oh, that's true.
Right up the
Actually,
boat.
we lost one that was over 100 pounds easy. It was really close, and the hook came off, but that's fishing.
We got him right back though.
Yeah, we didn't give up, and we kept on trying. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys like what you guys are seeing, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell button on the side and watch all our videos.
Big water bullies.
Comment below if you guys want us to do something. Peace out.